Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to dive deep into who we are, our hobbies, interests, and talents, or HIT for short. And also, we are going to talk about our first week experience as a freshman. But first, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Omar, last name 220.
My name is Dzaki, last name is 176.
My name is Ryu Sachio Athalla, last name 163.
My name is Syahdan Haidar, and my last name is 52.
Okay, let's dive into our HIT. For me, my hobby is actually drawing and photography. Photography lets me capture and edit reality to make it stand out, while drawing lets me create ideas completely from zero. They are two great different ways to express myself. My main interests are hitting the gym for my bulking routine, and I also have a talent for swimming since I was a child, and I was surprisingly good at it. What about you, Jackie?
As for me, my main hobby is playing badminton. Is the best way for me to stay active and get a power for it just after spending long hours sitting in front of a laptop. Besides sports, my biggest interest is definitely technology, especially anything new in the digital world. But my real talent is in programming. I find it very intuitive because I naturally enjoy writing clean code to solve complex logic. I believe that in IT, we need that balance, keeping our body fit through badminton while using our talent for tech to be a great creator in the future. That's it.
Okay, okay. How about you, Chio?
Well, for my HIT, let's start with my hobbies. Listening to music is my all time favorite hobby, and playing basketball has also been a big part of my life growing up. For my interest, right now, my current focus is learning about forex trading or forex exchange, specifically in gold, as a good way to make money on the side. Finally, for my talents, my longest one is drumming. I've been learning it for 10 years and can play almost any genre except jazz. I also have a talent for playing the piano in a band, even though I've only been playing for about 6 7 months. We've already won multiple awards. Plus, playing basketball from first grade to high school helped me win many tournaments.
Hmm. Okay, okay. How about you, Haidar?
Well, Haidar is here, and my hobbies, such as gaming, have actually helped my adapt playing competitive game like Mobile Legend or maybe PUBG Mobile. Has sharpened my reflex and strategic thinking, which are qualified in I find very useful when taking complex coding tasks in my major. My interest in gym and fitness and the creative insight I get from reading novel with complex character will help me stay focused and innovative in the fast-paced teach industry. I have a talent programming because I want to leverage my talent for programming to create impactful digital solutions.
Okay, so our next question is why did we all choose to major in IT? And how do you like your major so far? And also, how do you think this major will going to shape you in the future? For me, the honest reaction I choose IT is because I've always been fascinated by computer hardware and how software uh, makes it all comes alive. When I started learning the basics of Pythons and Go, I realized I wanted to build complex systems from the ground up, and I also want to be the person behind the scenes making things work. How about you, Jackie?
Honestly, I chose information technology because I believe tech is the heart of the future and I want to be a creator, not just a user. I think every job in the future will need this kind of skill. Regarding my experience so far, I really love it. Even though the first few weeks have been a big transition from high school using LMS every day and learning programming basic has been a great experience with a supportive atmosphere. Looking ahead, I aim to have a career as a software developer or an IT consultant, where I can build digital solution or even start my own tech startup one day. I believe this undergraduate program is the perfect place to start that dream. That's it.
Okay, okay. What about you, Chio?
Well, for me, I've always been passionate about cybersecurity, which is exactly why Telkom University was my top choice. I chose it specifically because it mainly focuses on the technological aspects of the field. And as for how I like it so far, the first few weeks as a freshman have been a great experience. We're already getting hands-on with our classes. For example, we just had a coding task where we created a simple hello.go program to display our name and student ID, which is a really fun way to dive right into the technical side of things. And looking ahead, I think this major is going to shape my future by giving me the strong technical foundations I need to build a solid career in the cybersecurity industry, helping to protect data and systems.
Oh, interesting, interesting. How about you, Haidar?
So far, my experience as freshman has been very engaging. I enjoy the logical challenge present in my course, especially those involving mathematics and programming language. I chose my major because I have a deep-rooted passion for programming. I find it incredibly fulfilling to use intricate problem-solving skill to build functional and innovative applications. Start from simple black screen. My experience as full stack developer and team leader in previous projects, such as developing a bookstore web application, further inspire me to pursue the field personality. Okay, just that.
Nice, nice. Okay, so that's it for today's podcast. We hope you're doing well and see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.